I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. When a student makes demands, expects me to follow them, and when I don't, they explode in a rage, what might be a way to handle this? Well, first of all, this student has learned this somewhere and it's working for them. So it's worked for them up to now. Really, the only thing you can do here is to hang on to your own kind of reactions or automatic thoughts. Because when a kiddo comes up to you and says, "Move my chair, give me that right now," your automatic thought is like, hello, adult, child. But if that's not the message they've gotten and people kind of jump when they go into their little rage, then they will continue to do that. So the way we respond, so we got to respond versus react. The response is when they come up here, I come down here. You're going to respond in your rage. I take 2 steps back. When you're done, I just repeat the direction. And I say, let me know what I can do to support or help you. So we've got to really kind of co-regulate when these kids kind of go into that rage because that's work for them. And we can't let it work for them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos. And if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.